Welcome to Global Auto Hub. The Mercedes-Benz G580 is a groundbreaking addition to the legendary G-Class lineup, seamlessly blending tradition with innovation. As an all-electric luxury SUV, it retains the signature boxy silhouette and rugged off-road capability that have defined the G-Class for decades while introducing state-of-the-art electric performance and technology. Designed for enthusiasts who refuse to compromise on power, luxury, and sustainability, the G580 is a bold step into the future of mobility. At first glance, the G580 maintains the commanding presence of its predecessors. The classic upright stance, flared wheel arches, and robust front grille immediately convey the vehicle's heritage. However, subtle design enhancements, such as the reimagined LED lighting signature, aerodynamic refinements, and a modernized yet recognizable front fascia, differentiate it from its internal combustion counterparts. The iconic clamshell hood, external door hinges, and exposed spare wheel remain intact, preserving the G-Class DNA that fans around the world admire. Powering the G580 is a cutting-edge all-electric drivetrain engineered to deliver exceptional performance. It features multiple electric motors, one on each axle, creating a sophisticated all-wheel drive system with instantaneous torque distribution. This setup ensures that the SUV maintains its renowned off-road prowess while offering a remarkably smooth and silent on-road driving experience. The electric motors provide instant acceleration, allowing the G580 to surge forward effortlessly, even on the most challenging terrains. With advanced torque vectoring and adaptive suspension, this electric G-Wagon confidently conquers mud, sand, snow, and steep inclines without hesitation. One of the most remarkable aspects of the G580 is its battery technology. The high-capacity battery pack is strategically positioned to optimize weight distribution, lowering the center of gravity and enhancing stability. Despite its electric nature, the vehicle remains a true off-road beast, featuring an advanced four-wheel drive system, locking differentials, and specialized driving modes tailored for extreme conditions. The underbody protection has been reinforced to safeguard critical components, ensuring that the G580 can withstand the harshest environments. Inside the cabin, the G580 redefines luxury with a meticulously crafted interior that balances opulence with cutting-edge technology. Premium leather, sustainably sourced wood, and aluminum accents create a sophisticated ambiance, while the high-resolution digital cockpit provides an immersive driving experience. The dashboard is equipped with a seamless MBUX infotainment system, featuring AI-powered voice recognition, gesture controls, and a customizable user interface. The panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting with multiple color options, and massaging seats further elevate comfort levels, making every journey a first-class experience. For audiophiles, the G580 offers an optional high-fidelity surround sound system engineered to deliver crystal-clear acoustics, turning the cabin into a concert hall on wheels. Connectivity is seamless, with wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and over-the-air software updates ensuring that the vehicle stays technologically up-to-date. Passengers can enjoy rear seat entertainment screens, premium climate control settings, and ample legroom, making long journeys more enjoyable. Safety remains a top priority in the G580, incorporating an array of advanced driver assistance systems. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras provide enhanced security and confidence on the road. The intelligent braking system, collision avoidance technology, and reinforced frame further contribute to the vehicle's robust safety profile. Additionally, off-road specific safety features, such as hill descent control and terrain-based traction management, ensure that the G580 remains in command of any driving scenario. Despite its high-performance capabilities and luxury appeal, the G580 is a significant step toward sustainability. As an electric vehicle, it produces zero emissions, reducing its environmental impact while still delivering exhilarating performance. The integration of regenerative braking helps maximize energy efficiency, extending the vehicle's range and optimizing battery usage. Fast charging capabilities allow for rapid replenishment of the battery, making long-distance travel more convenient. The Mercedes-Benz G580 represents the perfect fusion of tradition and innovation, proving that an electric vehicle can embody both power and elegance. By preserving the G-Class's iconic heritage while embracing the future of electric mobility, This SUV stands as a testament to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to engineering excellence. Whether navigating urban streets, embarking on off-road adventures, or making a bold statement on the highway, the G580 is a revolutionary step forward in the world of luxury electric SUVs.